The minister stated that all police stations ought to have been equipped with generators during the 2011-2020 financial year.
We have tried, as per the assessment that was done, to ensure that every police station have a generator, just in case. We cannot assure you and guarantee you that each and every police station would have a standby generator in case if the other generator is not working.
She explained that the exercise will be costly.
I think 85% along the way to complete all of them. But as for the standby, it might not be the right time yet in terms of the fiscal space. And Honourable Member, the facilities that you are asking that do not have, we would not be in a position also to quantify them. Because, you know, generators and all these appliances that are used on intervals can be working today. And if it did not work for a week, by the time you would come and want to use it, it would require service.